Hi dearies, welcome to my channel Boo Doll. So this is my third video where we will be learning the most basic and most widely used stitch called as double stitch. Okay, so earlier we have already learned how to make a crochet knot, chains, single crochet and even a magic circle, and now we will continue with the double crochet. So how do we do that is I will make a circle which we already learned in my previous video. I'm sure that you have watched them all. Okay, so I've just made a magic ring and inside this I'm making 6 stitches. This is single crochets, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so I'm just gonna loosen this up and pull my circle. This is my magic circle or a magic ring. Okay, so now I put back my hook, make it tighter. Okay, so we will always start with a slip stitch, which is very easy. That like the first stitch you just insert onto the first chain here, pull the yarn. Now you have 2 loops, so instead of making a yarn over and pulling through the loops, what we do is just a slip the top stitch under the second one. This is a slip stitch. Okay, so this is it, and we will make 2 chains now. So now we will begin. Okay, so the 2 chains will serve as a first double crochet, and let's begin. So yarn over onto the hook and then you insert your hook into the stitches, and now you see that we have 3 loops on this needle. So yarn over and go through only 2, first 2, and then yarn over and the remaining 2. So this is the double crochet. So you can see it is little longer than the single crochet, and this is called as double crochet, usually called as DC. Okay, so let's make one more. So yarn over and then insert this into the chains whatever we have here, and then pull back. So now we have 3 loops, and yarn over and pull through the first row and then yarn over and the last 2. Okay, so this is the double crochet. So I'll make one more now. I have pulled 3, so we have 3 loops here, pull through the first 2. Now we have 2 and then yarn over, pull through both. So this is the double crochet. Okay, so I have put double crochets on all the 6 chains whatever we had created inside the magic ring. So in each chain I have put 2 double crochets. So in total I have 12 double crochets. Okay, so now how do we end this is I have the 12th double crochet here, and we end it with a slip stitch. So you just go through the first chain here, yarn over, bring it on your needle. Now we have 2. The slip stitch is very simple. The top stitch will go underneath the second one. So this is just a slip stitch, and here we see the circle is complete, and the second round what we see here is all the double crochets. Okay, now we will see how do we make the treble crochet. Treble is 3. So the first treble crochet will always be in the chains. So we make 3 chains. Okay, and now we will make a treble crochet. So yarn over, we did once for the double crochet, so for the treble we will do it twice. So one more yarn over. So we have 3 now, and then we get into the chain, bring back, and now if you see we have 4 loops here. Okay, so first yarn over, bring through 2, and then yarn over the next 2, and then yarn over and then the last 2. Okay, so this is the treble crochet, which is even longer than the double crochet. So let's do it one more time. Okay, so yarn over once, twice, and then get into the chain, yarn over, bring it. So now we have 4 loops, yarn over first 2 loops, yarn over the next 2 loops, yarn over and the last 2 loops. So this is the treble crochet. Yarn over, bring back, and now we have 4 loops, first 2, next 2, the last 2. So this is the treble crochets. Okay, so I have put all the stitches, like I have made treble crochets, two treble crochets in each chain. So we had 6 stitches initially in the magic circle, and then I made it as two double crochets in each of the 6 stitches, so it made 12. And now in the 12 double crochets in each chain, I have made 2 treble crochets, so the total stitch count has become 24, and see, the circle has also become bigger. Now let's see how do we close this. Okay, so this is my last treble crochet, so we will do a slip stitch. Okay, so here the first we had made 3 chains, so 1 2 3, and on the 4th one we will just insert the hook, pull the yarn, and we will do a slip stitch. Okay, so this is how it is going to look. And now we have covered all the basics, whatever is needed for crocheting amigurumi dolls like this. And just a sneak peek, what is coming up next is the bumblebee. This is a cute bumblebee which we will be making in our next video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it now, hit the bell button. And if you haven't seen or watched the previous videos, please do so, because those are the 3 basic videos which I have made giving the basic instructions. And now on we will be making projects like this. So see you soon there. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.